Teo, what are the lessons that you want to partake to the audience after watching Finding Santos?
Sorry.
The lessons you want to partake to the audience, the lessons of the movie.
Last one.
Lessons. Moral of the movie.
Lesson.
Lesson.
So our basic theme revolve around the road trip, but our basic theme is honoring the Filipino soldier who helped Koreans through the Korean War and who fought the freedom of democracy. But on top of it, we have more different, many small and tiny great lessons to take away. So I don't want to spoil anything. So you guys can know what I'm talking about.
Wow.
After watching it.
Yes. You are loved by a lot of Filipinos. What makes the Filipino fans special?
What makes from the movie?
No, in general, your fans love you. So what
Yeah.
makes the Filipino fans special?
It's hard to say that I'm just flattered and so grateful that I've got a lot of love. But I think Filipino fans and Filipino people are known for being kind and sentimental artists. So I was just well received by people, lovely. I just want to say thank you and appreciate it. Yeah.
Meg, how does it feel working with Teo for this project?
Honestly, na-intimidate po ako sa kanya at first kasi of course you guys know his popularity and everything, but the more I got to know, parang he's pretty chill and like madali lang po siya
Tama no, this was shot in Aurora.
Yeah, majority po, but we also went to Pampanga, Sarco.
Maganda siguro mensahe sa mga kababayan natin sa Aurora na tinamaan ng bagyong uwan. Timing din na pagpapalabas ng movie.
Sa lahat po ng na-apekto po ng bagyo, sobrang, una sa lahat, I'm so very proud sa resilience po talaga ng mga Pilipino. Sobrang galing po mag-bounce back sa kahit anong challenge, anong hurdle man, mapa-araw, mapa-ulan, but of course, it's not right. Now we have to parang kailangan tiisin itong ganito.
Kailangan accountability.
Opo. So, of course, guys, sobrang proud kami sa resilience ko. But at least, someone has to take accountability sa mga nangyayari po.
Kapatid, anong takeaway mo sa movie na to?
Si Teo po.
May takeaway na
Ano po, kasi marami nagko-comment sa social media since ako po isang content creator. Last year, marami nagko-comment dun sa huwag yung kalimutan yung Battle of Yultongo, ito ng mga be. It's about yung mga heroes natin, mga Filipino na tumulong sa Korean War. So, hindi naman siya mainly, pero inspired about it sa history na yun yung movie namin. So, the takeaway is, yun po.
History.
Yung story.
Sige, so para say, this is for everyone. So what have you learned about each other's cultures of Philippines?
Teo.
I would like to say there's no big difference in any challenging things when it comes to culture because as I mentioned earlier, all the Filipino people and culture workers and crews are so kind, and I really love to work together. So I don't have any cultural difference or something. So and I enjoy Jollibee and obviously you got the Filipino food. Yeah, I was all about it.
Yeah, Meg.
For me po, since of course, galing po kami Korean management, I already had like a bit of an idea sa work style ng Koreans, which although ang saya na nakitang nag-mix yung dalawang cultures, yung Filipino and Korean, despite yung language barrier, sobrang smooth pa rin ng communication. And hopefully, sa movie which we will be watching later, siguro makikita rin namin yung output ko.
Good. Han.
Sobrang po ng mga Korean. Alam naman na po natin kung paano mag-work yung mga Pinoy. Pero ang Korean, sobrang baby ako ng Korean during the shoot. Promise,
Alaga-alaga.
Alaga, especially si like, yung sa sound tech, talagang sinacheck niya, okay, gano'n mo,
Sir
ganyan.
Tech.
Sobrang hands-on sila sa mga actors.
Can you share any memorable experiences?
Teo.
I know one thing. We had a day. We had a day like there was one scene. The hatch Lara is like with the cockroach
Is a cockroach?
on his bare head. So I was like, oh my gosh, he's so brave and courageous. He's so genuine for this movie. So yeah, you guys can get what I'm talking about after watching this in the film.
Wow, Meg.
I guess nung nakagat po ako ng snake. And you will see in the movie why memorable yun. But behind the scenes, oh my God. Kasi si
Ay, oo.
Hands.
Ano. Saka naman po yung may scene doon na makikita nyo lang. Nasa trailer naman pala siya yung sumigaw.
Ayun.
Kailangan ko sumigaw ng madaling araw na kaya sa mga kapitbahay. Pero still work. So,
Teo, your message to the Filipino fans.
Hi there, this is Theo. Our movie is really touching and meaningful because of our, message we want to deliver and get across. So I hope many of you will watch and enjoy our film. So our movie is going to be out on 19th in the movie theater in the Philippines. Stay tuned. Thank you.
Okay.